Yeah, the bolts, you can tell they already beat them up. That was beat up right there?
No, that's factory.
That's already, bro, I worked before. I know what a stock looks like.
Bro, I own a shop. I'm not trying to argue. I own the shop and I build these cars.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Wavy K, and we back with another one, man. Those are on the website, man. Oh yeah, I finally got the website up, y'all. After months of talking about it, I finally got it up. So here it is right here, bloop, bloop, bloop. So y'all go check that out down below, man. I'm gonna have some more merch listed on there and everything, so y'all could go check that out, man. But yeah, man, the first meet. Oh, y'all not gonna see it, huh? Oh. Hello. I hear the Pro Charger, sir. But yeah, man, so this is the first meet that I got the new grill out, man. Sheesh. I love the way it looks, man. It's looking real crazy-licious and everything, man. So, that being said, man, tonight, you see we back at Cane's, bro. We ain't been in Cane's in a cool minute, man. So, I'm not sure who's racing, so we about to find somebody who knows who's racing.
The team that I'm putting money on, they don't even know. Only the person collecting. What's up, Pops? Wavy Kyle in the chat. We out here at Cane's tonight. If y'all not subscribed to this, man, like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications. Wavy Kyle doing it big. We outside, feel me?
Who's racing tonight, man?
We got Gusty and we got Hobby 50, 210 speed. And they're both NA. I don't think either one of them's cammed. Not yet, at least. Gotta get some cams in them Johns. And then there's like 2 other races with like OTS, I think VR, so we're active tonight.
Yeah, sure, man. Make sure y'all go tap in with Drake Bill, man.
Like, comment, subscribe, post notifications.
Go check out his merch.
Drake Bill on YouTube.
Where's the other one? Hold on. I like this.
No, the updated version.
The updated joint? Updated version. This right here? This is cold.
Damn, like that?
Who's that?
That's that 240?
That's cold right there. You said yours on order?
Shipping.
Okay, cool. But yeah, man, make sure y'all tap in with that, man. So that being said, man, I don't know if y'all can see me or not, but we about to get into it. So y'all heard them 210 speeds, and we about to get into it, man. So let's get it. Sheesh.
Go! Wait, wait for a second.
Get this shit out of here.
I'm just throwing out my rhythm. Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Okay, how are you? Let's go. Damien, I'm doing it. Oh. Okay, go. Let's go. Jump.
No, you fucked it up.
I need his help. Go ahead. I'm going to lift myself up. Go. Come on, together.
Alright, y'all, so this is one of the cars, man, one of the 10 speeds that's running. Like I said, I don't know much about neither car, so I didn't even know this one was here. This one was here the whole time. I didn't even know about it. So right now we're just waiting on the other one to pull up. Like Drake said, man, they're both full bolt on, both 10 speed. Only thing they're missing is a cam. So you know, that being said, they just put the drag pack on. Oh, that's clean. They just put the drag pack on, man. Got some meats in the back and everything. So yeah, bro. Is this like a purple? It's like a purple. Hold on. I thought this was black. It's like a purple, bro. That's crazy. So yeah, man. That being said, man, we're gonna wait for the other car to pull up, and we're gonna get into it. Sheesh.
Yeah. They just got like 3 cameras right away.
I want a clean run. I don't want.
Well, yeah, because last time I came out of here and raced, they fucking left on 1.
We'll chase not race?
Well, we'll just fucking rerun it.
I want a clean run. I don't want no fucking taking off in 2 and then. Because I was here when you ran that one fool.
And he left on 1. And
I didn't see the video.
Still got him.
So chase not a race?
Fucking. Oh, well, we'll just rerun it. If we chase, if we chase like over 80 or whatever.
Over 80 is cool. Man, about your speed just let off. Because I was doing some test pulls and I'm on needles. Those shits are ass. So I was speeding a little bit. But should hook. I just got to warm them up a bit.
You want to check cars or what?
You can check mine.
Hiding that nitrous very well.
So Drake, you said it's a Drake Zip car?
Yeah, we took away his
I know,
nitrous. Nice.
I know you're hiding the nitrous.
Oh, that nitrous is stuck, bro. They ain't gonna find it.
The bolts on the front cover are already fucking eaten. You see that one?
Yeah.
They already took that shit off. They've already took that front cover off.
It's stock turbo.
Headers too, no?
It's stock turbo.
Crazy.
I know, that would be sick.
Si esa madre ya está quitado, ya se mira luego tornillo como ya le están quitando. The front cover, they already took off the front cover. It's unsealed. It's unsealed.
You can't tell if it's sealed or not.
They're saying it's not sealed, brother.
It's not sealed?
Yeah, the bolts, you can tell they already beat them up. To loosen them up and put them on.
Wait, what bolts?
That's good, brother. Hey, bro.
What bolts?
The front cover ones? The ones that are bent, bro. This one, you see how it's beat up right there? Well, somebody.
No, that's factory.
No, it's
No,
bro,
that's factory.
Bro, no,
That's
it's
factory.
not. No, it's not.
That's factory. Swear to God. So look, if you look on the alternator bolt, this has to come off.
They've already opened it, bro.
No, look, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. This bolt has to come
You
off.
guys have opened it, bro.
It's not open.
That's already said, bro. I worked for Ford, dog. Like I know what a stock looks like. It's
I know,
not stock,
I work
bro.
on these cars
You
too.
guys have fucking took that shit off many times, bro. That bolt,
No.
those bolts are.
Bro, I'm telling you.
That
shit's factory.
Best way to the factory, you can see this little silicone right here. Yeah, the silicone's right here, bro. The gray, dark gray silicone, right?
No, it's actually black silicone.
No, it's dark gray, dog. It's Motorcraft dark gray silicone, bro.
Dark gray.
Oh, yeah.
Why don't you check it here?
357
Why don't you check it here?
T8 357 dark gray Motorcraft.
Check it here. Pop off the oil filter.
Bro, that engine's been open, dog. It's been worked on inside. I don't know what they're trying to fool.
It's not cam. Hey, I was upgrade the other day, so
You take the camera.
They saying I'm cam?
yeah, they think you're camera.
Oh, my bad. I take care of myself. It was a brand new car.
Oh, I have to buy a new car in Canada.
We'll compare it right now. Mine's brand new too.
We don't got money like that way.
Check the rear one.
Check the trunk.
So my boy put up on the wheel, the rails,
What's the different model?
middles around.
I don't know. I'm genuinely asking. What's the not matching line? I'm just curious. I'm good. For yours. There are?
You gonna check mine?
Made it on YouTube.
Mama, I made it, fuck.
Yeah, the newer version. Is this the PMAX intake? It's not the UHP?
No, it's PMAX.
PMAX? It's like the same thing.
Look at that one bull. I want to see that bull.
The alternator stud. And,
Take this off right here. Look how stock it looks.
Look, the other one,
See
you
how
could,
brand new that is?
the brackets were even on.
It has like little dogs right there, but I
Let me
can't
see.
Picking up purple.
Well, I'm just gonna record because I recorded that one. No, it looks the exact same.
No, it doesn't.
What do you guys think?
Low-key, this shit's cam.
It looks the exact same.
Sí, pendejo, it is.
This shit's cam.
It's the same thing.
It's not the same.
Yeah, this one's
It's the
cam
same
too.
thing.
You can tell when the bull grabs on.
Hey, Gusty, you want to pull your car right here and compare them side by side? Just compare them side by side. You don't have to walk back and forth.
I rotated the tires at 4. I know that.
What bolt is that?
Because they're saying that there's wear and tear on his bolts, right? Like you could tell when a bolt's been touched, right? But they're saying his take the alternator off, so the nut has to come off and that stud.
But this is different because look, the alternator right here and there's another one down there.
Well, regardless,
front cover bolt.
Regardless, no, it has to come off because it goes into the block. This stud, this is a nut. You take off the nut, and then the stud goes all the way through.
We're talking about the alternator. We're talking about the front cover.
Yeah, but that has to come off.
Bolts is for the alternator and the cover.
Bro, I own a shop. I'm not trying to argue. I own the shop and I build these cars. Like that nut and stud has to come out regardless, because the timing cover, it goes through the timing cover into the cylinder head, and it has to come out, the nut and the stud. So we could just compare that nut to this nut and compare that nut to this nut and compare that nut to this nut and compare that nut to this nut. See if it's been worn and touched, because that has to come off regardless.
32018s have a TIG too, or?
So they made the other 5.0 pull up. This is the one they said it's been opened up and everything because of the bolts are all messed up and everything. And that one is factory and everything. So we're about to take a look at it. Just compare the bolts. See what they're talking about, man.
I'm good.
So look at the nut. That nut's never been touched before.
Wait, which one is it? It's this one or this one?
No, this one, because that nut, this nut has to come off first. The stud comes out second, and then there's another bolt at the bottom that comes out.
Nah,
that
look at right here, bro. You can tell the socket was already on that.
No, bro, that's factory.
That's not factory. Compare right there.
Yeah. Okay, so then if they took out that bolt, they can't take off the timing cover because that still has to come off.
There's a bunch of mechanic shit. I don't know what they're talking about.
Because regardless, this has to come out. Not,
Like not being biased, look at yours.
you're not getting the timing cover off without taking the alternator out. I build these cars. I'm not trying to defend them. I'm just saying, like, it's not cammed.
Nah, I get you.
I don't even know this loser. I'm just kidding.
Cut that shit off.
Get it? Ando llenito today.
Lucy, when did you install the camera? Recently?
Here, look. This is the one he was talking about.
Where is it?
Right there. Watch out, I'm gonna film the one on that side.
500? Yeah, I'm not scared. 500? I need everyone, but it's not.
Yeah, just collect the one. This will collect. This is a fat ass turbo.
Alright, so they're gonna collect. So after all that, they only gonna race for 500, man. So they're gonna collect. I think they're gonna collect, and then the other side gonna match. But they said 500 minimum, man. So we're gonna see how it goes. Shit, they found a bottle. Drake, they found a bottle.
They found the bottle.
Oh!
How does it
It smells like AMP and food.
No, Wolf.
I have
No, you have a
people-
corner or what?
Yeah. Nah. You have a corner?
No, I don't.
I got a GoPro. Flip a GoPro.
Nobody cares. You don't have a... They're gonna flip for who counts.
I'll call it.
Say it again, Drake.
They're flipping for who counts. Tails.
So how are you gonna count it?
Tails.
I'm gonna just give you a thumbs
So he's
up.
counting.
And just 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go slow. I'm not gonna fucking bullshit you. If you don't like my count, don't even go at all. Stick out my hand. I'm gonna legit. On 3. And then you'll be on the left, of course.
Are you guys doing chase as a race, or if like you don't like
Well, that's what we said.
chase a race?
After
80. After 80.
After 80.
After 80's a race.
So if you chase them after 80, then that's a race.
Anything else? A car cuts in front. If it's like way
So
ahead.
yeah, that's what happened with that other guy, but
I seen that.
we both swerved and he still went up to like 140
That's what I'm
something.
saying. You stay
And
on it.
that was his complaint that I beat him, like, oh, I had to swerve, but both of us had to swerve. At 135, I was still a car and a half ahead of him.
The easy way to go about it is if a car just in general is in the way, just redo it, because you can
If
say
I see
like
a car in front of me, I'm gonna just let off.
Just let off.
And then we'll line it up.
just to make it simple. What's the roll?
5140. Alright. Anything else?
I'm just talking to him.
Alright.
All right, y'all. So y'all heard it, man. They do a 5140. Chase is a race after 80. So meaning if it's once they go up to 80, and then if they don't like it, they have before 80 to stop and reline it up and everything. Y'all get the gist. Right now they're only doing it for 500. They collecting and everything, so maybe it might be more, maybe it won't. Who knows? Gray is counting. And yeah, that's it, man. Let's get into it. Shit.
A pot? It don't make sense. It don't make sense. Oh, hell. Oh. 20. See what you guys do? With you. Who's calling? You go. All right, ready? All right, heads. Give my 20. Tails. Oh, broke right here. Oh, no.
Who's next? You
want 40. 40.
All right.
Double or nothing. Hey, you're not recording? What the fuck, Drake?
I'm flipping.
Busy. Heads.
Tails.
Heads. Dope.
20.
Another 20. Go.
All right.
Heads.
Tails.
I broke nerve.
Hey, you can't keep calling that.
Look.
Oh, no. It's dead. Hit a shoe. Yeah, it's dead.
All right, go. We're good. Oh, my God.
That's the rule.
Tails.
Keep going.
I'm making money.
Alright, y'all. So they raised the pot. So it's actually 800 aside now instead of 5. So yeah, man. Hey, this joint right here is nasty though. So I talked to the owner, and he said it's like purple, but in the daytime, if you look a certain way, it's blue. This joint is crazy. You can lucky see like the type of blue, but like it's purple at the same. Dang, this light ain't bright enough. But yeah, man, this joint crazy, dude, crazy. All right, man. So we just waiting on everybody really to finish the pot and everything. This Termy right here is nasty. Sheesh. Yo, is that Alex? Oh, snap, man. We got Alex. I'm putting stuff right here, man. Just had to bring it up. Our boy Mikey, what's going on, man? Chilling. This guy right here. Lucky nice, man. Sheesh.
You can't try it. You want to go based off GoPro? Because I know I'm on a full drag bag. My mouse power might be off.
Well, I'll just go by the GoPro. Cool, I'm gonna go a little over.
You probably just have to go by GoPro. Yeah. Unless you're like you're recording your dash.
Well, I'm gonna record with my phone inside the dash. When I'm at 130, I'm gonna just pick it up.
You guys are gonna be close. Yeah, it's gonna come down a mile an hour.
Yeah.
It's going to.
That's what you raised was.
Hey, you have a GoPro?
Damn, I didn't hit my head.
That's what nice. Those are on the booster seat.
Am I?
No.
Oh, I'm about to say, what the bro? Alright, y'all, so they're heading back in right now. As y'all see, man, that joint was stupid close, man. All the videos are showing everybody like he's door to door, they're door to door and everything. So I'm about to hurry up and grab the GoPro and pull the video up because I know it's gonna be something, man. But that was a good race, man. Hell of a race.
I was doing a race in the camp, and I saw my color and go up.
Fuck, I knew that sticker was magic.
So Drake's getting his right now.
We're looking at his GoPro video.
Where they at? What's up, Chips? Fuck yeah. Run it.
I'm not tall enough for this shit, man.
Put you on the screen.
Pay the man.
He just said.
Pay the man. No, I'm not nothing. I didn't know nothing. Hey, talk to his driver. That's not my car. That's not my race. That's not my race.
Hey, Drake.
That's not my race. That's not my race. Chill. I was just looking at the GoPro, please. I was just looking at the GoPro. That was it. Nah, chill. Oh yeah, man. Just chill. Look at the Instagram. Just a prank, bro. It was just a prank. That's what I was looking at. 39, 40. Look at your same mirror.
Yeah, but he's recording that.
He's recording it like that.
Yeah, I wish
That's
bro.
You're like this.
That's from the inside, G.
That's the
You're not like that, bro.
You're like GoPro.
Nah,
You guys say
That's the way they go.
your mirror's
I
not
think he topped it up.
Go off the GoPro. What do you guys put GoPros on it for? That right?
The GoPro right here.
Going off the GoPros, bro. Look.
I just watched the whole thing. You show him, brother. I don't know nothing. Nah, I didn't say nothing. I didn't say nothing, bro. You can see the whole video. You were down the whole video.
Oh, wait, pero mira esta, güey.
Where's that food?
No se hagan pendejos tampoco.
It was a good ass runway.
Yeah, wait, but look at this one.
Well, where's the GoPro placed at? Look. Oh, this. I had two GoPros.
I know, just show them this one though.
Watch out.
Look at this one.
Is that white angle?
Look at that. I already saw your video. Let me see my video.
I already saw it.
You didn't even see it. You're capping, fool.
Yeah.
Is that white angle?
Yeah, that's what
I got it. Don't try to be with Kyle.
Oh, there you go.
He got the real setup. I need one of those. Can I get one
Wait,
of
your
those,
shit's
brother?
off because I didn't even go to
You got all that YouTube money now. Can I get one?
I let off exactly at 140. So why at 150 it still shows neck to neck?
I'm just watching.
That GoPro's not on your car, it's on his.
Well, I say at 140 I hit the brakes. Why?
It doesn't look like you stopped on the video.
Say like 142, you slow down.
So on both GoPros, it looks like that camera card was winning.
Hey, did you pull your video on?
You have yours?
It's because mine didn't get mile per hour, so I can't. Like, it's just GPS, some shit. What does it say? GPS what?
Yeah, but it's a 360.
You have to
But
leave it on long.
I have video, but it just says GPS,
At
some shit.
140 I let off right away. Yeah. Why is that shit at 147 we're still neck to neck? I hit my
Look, the GoPro be off
no,
sometimes,
like,
too.
it's still going. Why is it still showing it's still going? I let off way before that. I did not hit 150.
Yeah, that's off.
Well, it's not even ours.
Sure off.
That shit is off on that one.
we got it right here. That's your GoPro?
I 140.
Maybe yours is off. Hey, let me see what he
Let's
went off.
get the rerun.
He done it off on 140, bro. He never let off at 140.
Well, that's why you went right by it.
Even your
He never
GoPro
let
has
off at
it.
140, bro.
Let me see that
He's
one.
fucking lying to our face right here. Come on, man.
This one shows
The
145.
inside view lights though.
We have the
I have the inside view too. My mirror cap is up.
I don't know how the inside view lights.
At 145, he lets off right here.
Inside view shows
Whoa, the Snapchat. We were talking about Snapchat too. That's crazy. Yeah, it shows 150 right there, you see? Oh.
It's in my car. Want to get it from me?
Right here is 145.
You want to go talk over there?
Yeah, you see. You see, bro. The inside view and everything.
Let's go talk over there.
I guess I had to step up.
Show him the
When I was at 138, I seen and I was able to see your face. I'm not gonna because you were a little behind. When I was at 138, well, I didn't record, bro, but All you see, bro, you move it. You move it at 140.
The inside view, I legit went like that, and I went like that.
Yeah, but you moved it, you can just see like the front of the car. How?
I'm down for a rerun if you are. I'm telling you, it was a close ass run.
Bro, I live fucking like an hour and a half away.
We could rerun it right now.
They told me where you live. I'm like, that's a
140.
push. That's
Why, for real?
I
Your
drove
side
the
mirror's
car all
right
the way
here.
here and then change the tires here, and I still need to change the tires back and go back.
Well, I'm just saying, this is the inside view. I legit went like this, my dash, boom.
Yeah, but
And look at your mirror. My mirror is above yours.
Where's the mirror?
Your mirror's right here.
You have it like that, bro. Of course it's gonna look like that. You have it.
Bro, I legit
slanted,
dash,
bro.
boom. Tell me what the fuck.
Everybody migrating over here.
Both GoPros show
This
different.
was a little back, yeah.
But that's
what I'm
wide
saying.
angle. Of course, it's gonna look more wider in back.
But I zoomed in towards the end of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're over there.
Bro, cause on mine,
Drake, you put yours in 360 or just regular?
That's regular, bro. Look at that.
I zoomed it to straight.
So straight?
I didn't zoom out.
I don't know, bro. I think I won. You think you won?
Can I see?
I'm not trying to have drama or
I haven't
shit.
seen you before. Because I think on both camera cars, it looks like you guys both won. Just pause it at 140.
Yeah, right there looks like you're ahead the whole time. The whole way we're neck to neck. There's no way you're ahead of me the whole time.
This is Goosty's spot.
The whole race, bro. I was looking to my
What was
left.
this?
Wait.
I can switch it
Try,
to
try because they have the
Keep
same
it
car.
straight.
Look at the headlights and look at where the headlights line up on the ground. You know what I mean?
Gotcha.
And then put mile an hour because at 140 you could just go based off that.
Bro, I'm not trying to argue, bro. It's dead as clean run. Your footage shows that you're ahead the whole time. When I look to my left, we're neck to neck the whole way, bro.
Look, another thing on this one, it shows that he lets off at 145, right?
Your shit shows that I went to 150.
Well, okay, I kept going a little more.
Yeah, but at 150, we're still neck to neck on
At
yours.
150, you guys are still next to it when you guys is working. Another thing, we have an inside view.
All right, so what you're saying is he was ahead at 140, and then I crept back up at to 150.
No, what we're trying to say is that your GoPro's off. Because your GoPro shows that he let off at 150.
How don't I know if yours?
And this one, it's at 145.
What is yours? About?
But I had the inside view.
We have inside view.
Bro, but you see the inside view?
Plus, you said your speed was gonna be off because you're on.
That's why I recorded
And you
the
said,
inside view.
you said,
That's why I
it's gonna
recorded the
be
inside
fucking
view.
You said based off of GoPro.
Look,
I
the
said I
inside
will
view.
record the
Another
inside
thing,
view.
the inside view, look, 138,
Bro, you legit.
140.
Sí puedes, güey,
Look.
pero que ellos
Ahí te- No, te estoy enseñando, güey, te estoy enseñando. Checa
Ya
esto.
miré el video como 20 veces, güey.
Ok, pues quiero que entiendas que perdieron.
No perdimos,
Mira,
güey.
güey. Ahí está, güey.
Where's my front mirror?
The light is right here. Your mirror's right here.
Yeah, look, how do you, that's an
shooting it to the
angle.
front.
That's an angle. He's shooting it to his own front
mirror,
Oh,
bro.
no,
That's
we
how
have
I
inside
angle,
view.
dog.
You're seeing, bro. He's showing his mirror going forward. You can just see the back. It's not fucking side to side, bro.
I think I won, bro. I legit have an inside view.
I think I won too.
I don't know what you want to do.
What about like?
Bro, that shows neck to
won.
neck the whole time.
We know we won. We have it right here.
Mames, we both have proof.
That's what I'm saying. If we run it, it's gonna be the same outcome, bro. Legit, right off start, neck to neck the whole way. On your GoPro, it says that you're up by half a car. There's no way, bro.
The only way to rerun it, he'll do a different roll.
I'm down for a 60.
Yeah, that's 60, 150.
60 to whatever.
Bro, we have the same gear ratios. Because if we do the same roll again, bro, it's gonna be
Yeah,
The
same shit.
problem is like
talking to you fucking race.
the problem.
Papers, and then we'll renegotiate.
The problem is that on
Guys
your
didn't
GoPro,
win.
it looks like you're winning, and on his,
On
it looks
his-
like he's
yeah,
winning.
that's
So
what I'm saying.
it's like both ways.
I mean, we saw the reaction.
Coming
from
to
people
agreement,
that
bro.
saw
I'm
the
down to
first
give you a
time, their
rerun, but
reaction.
different roll.
You know how you guys reacted to the race.
Yeah,
But unbiased.
we reacted
saw
that
what
we
you guys
won
did.
though. That's what it means.
No, we saw people with neutral point of views look at the video and how they reacted.
Well,
they
no,
know
no, I'm
who
saying
won.
like show them both videos because
Yeah.
in his video he won, and his video he won.
Don't bring me into this.
There's an individual that saw one video and came over here, saw our video, and said, "Oh yeah."
Nah, chill. How you doing, individual? Leave me alone.
They know who won, and y'all know who that is.
What car you got?
Y'all know.
What car you got? What car you got?
Why you want to worry about my car?
You're talking the most, so let's get a run.
I got a truck.
Just stay quiet.
Bro,
You want to do the same roll then?
Bro, you just seen the outcome. I'm down for a 60.
Do it again.
Just do a 60.
Do
Down for a
60.
60.
I'm good. The 50.
Same roll, bro. It's gonna be the same outcome.
That shit was.
Unless you try to jump on one. Bro, I tell you, we jumped
I
perfect.
waited. You saw how I
We
waited
went
for
perfect.
you.
Yeah. We went perfect.
We could do a 60 and we double the pot.
You see that I'm not Cam. You kept up with me saying that I'm Cam.
Well, I'm unprepared, bro. I came unprepared and kept up.
You guys locked it
I
in.
gave you a
with
whole
like-
2 days in advance.
What?
We locked
That's
it.
why I'm saying I kept up with you unprepared. You said
Yeah, that's
you came
Thursday,
unprepared, so I'm
Thursday,
No, we
saying.
locked it in Wednesday.
2 days.
He's like, give me 2 days. It's not my fault you didn't come prepared.
Well, that's why I'm saying. I said I came unprepared and I still kept up. You
So
said.
I'm saying you think
That's
I'm
what
Cam
saying.
and you kept up, so let's get a 60.
Just do a 60.
Bro, we do the same run.
gear,
It's gonna
same
be the
car.
same.
Same run.
It's gonna come to the same
Different
outcome.
angle. You said his camera was at a different angle, no?
It's gonna be the same thing though.
Same
A la verga, same thing. Let's watch. Let's redo it.
You guys want to double the pot at least?
Hey, well, we can do it. If we redo the race,
No mames.
if they redo the race 4140 instead of
race
us
your
recording
car.
in 360, recording
Recording
Oh,
straight.
that's true. Oh, man, that's
Well,
a
we
race.
both.
But they get a
40?
Hellcat or fucking
I'm not doing it.
They get a Hellcat.
Just call me out. I'll be ready.
I'm ready.
Hey, what I was saying is, we both recorded.
Do 40 to
No,
140.
yeah, like if you guys did again, because we recorded in 360, if we
said
recorded
if
in
you
regular,
do-
4140.
Now we do 40 140.
Y'all don't want to pay, bro.
Like you told me, same gear ratio. You told me same gear ratio, 40 to 140.
We won the race.
Yeah, that's 10 more miles per hour to work with right there too. Instead of less than 10.
Your truck is worth more than.
My truck is worth more than both your fucking Hellcat, bro. Then why you trying to flex on me, nigga?
I'm not trying to
Why you
flex.
trying to flex on me?
I just want to
Well,
race
what I
you.
got? I got a truck that's worth more than your Hellcat.
Okay, I'll raise your truck that's worth more than a Hellcat. Hey, don't give me.
Bro, I'm telling you,
wanna
there's a
do-
close ass run. If we do a 50,
Cause
it's gonna be the
60
same
is gonna be
outcome.
less. Just do 10, 40 to 140.
No, he's saying 60 to 150.
Both. We do 40 to 140 or 50 to 140. Same shit.
I wouldn't give them that run because they don't want to pay. Yeah, you're not coming to the same spot. By the way, they don't want to pay right now. You think they're gonna pay when you do them again?
Just do a 60 rule.
I mean,
I had two.
if he gaps him, why we're not gonna pay?
What's going on right now? Dog? What are we
It's the next to
arguing
next
about?
race, and he saying me up, and he's saying me up. So why aren't we
wait.
both?
You
argue
said
about
the
it?
owners
40 to 140.
I know.
We said, oh,
but you guys don't
speak
come
about
over
it, but
here.
You guys.
Yeah, you guys
You
came over
pulled up
here.
first. Your team pulled. We pulled up because your
I
team
was
pulled
over
up.
there.
We pulled up because your team pulled up, bro. That's why we pulled up.
I don't
Bro,
know.
it's close ass race.
Whatever you
40 to
want.
140 or fucking 50 to 140. No,
We do the 50 again, double the pot.
no, we could do the same shit. It's the same shit. No sense.
Dude, they can't even take out 800.
Bro, do you want to run or what? You're doing the most talking.
Just run him.
Why you want to run a truck? I already told you I got a truck.
Okay, then
My
why you
slow
keep
ass truck,
talking?
bro. Why you want to run?
Yeah,
A truck that's worth $1 million.
Just run him again, bro. Fuck it.
Bro, it's gonna be the same outcome.
Who cares?
Do 40 to 140. That's 10 more miles per hour to work with right there.
Let's do 50, 140, and we'll do what he said. Put the GoPro at
Instead of recording 360, we could record straight.
Straight
That
ahead.
way it's like,
It'll be
you know,
fair.
at the camera, because if you record 360, it kind of throws it off a little bit. 50, 140?
So, bro, it's a close ass
Just
race.
same
Your
run,
GoPro
bro.
says that you look like you're up by half a car. There's no way. That shit was neck to neck though since takeoff.
If not, it's cool then. Whatever. Come prepared, and we'll race you.
Or just get prepared and you guys can run it next week.
Yeah.
Or Sunday.
Came unprepared and kept up. So
Yeah,
let's see. I've been prepared. See.
At least 1,000.
No, but don't even,
minimum.
like, don't say
Lock
you
it
were
in.
prepared because you guys locked it in with 2 days ahead. Like,
Yeah, so you can't say you didn't
know-
have time
you know
to
what I
get
mean?
prepared.
Yeah, no, I told him
That's not
since
our-
Monday.
that's
He
not our
really,
fault.
I hit him up
You guys can lock
2
it in
days ago
for-
because I still need to drive an hour and a half. That's
you
what
guys
I
can
told
lock it
him.
in for Sunday.
Too
Or,
fast for them. Let them talk.
Yeah.
I'm just saying,
Hey, you're
like,
not.
no, it's because he keeps on saying that he's unprepared. They give
Because he was saying, he was like, oh, it's not your fault. It's not my fault that you're
Fuck the talking.
unprepared.
You gonna lock it in?
So I came
we can go.
unprepared.
I'm trying to go home.
Yeah,
Lock
just
it in
lock
for
it in
another
for
day?
Sunday.
1,000 minimum.
1,000
though.
minimum?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Shake it. Fuck it.
We go home. That's what it is.
We got another race.
All right, y'all. So y'all seen the outcome, bro. Yeah, man, it was super close to call, man. It was crazy. So they just agreed to like running again another day, and everything will be the same and everything. I guess one driver was unprepared and everything, so you know it is what it is. So they locked it in for another day, and that'd be that, man. So yeah.
I live an hour and a half.
Oh
I
shit.
came out here for
Goosty,
him.
where's Goosty?
We could do more too.
Where's Goofy at?
Goofy?
Cause I fucking drove an hour and a half. My car is fucking hella warm and shit.
Where's he at? He's over there. Where's Goosty?
Nigga Bobby, huh?
Hey, you want to do the rerun out there? Where I live, in Palmdale? I drove fucking an hour and a half. My shit was fucking hot. So now you could drive over there, and we could get more of a hot.
You got here earlier.
Yeah, over there. I got here earlier than you, but fucking.
Your car cooled down by that?
I fucking drove still like an hour and a half.
Is there a good road to race out there?
Yeah,
There's a couple, bro. The Palmdale. Everybody fucking.
But for how
Or
much?
we could do a dig if you want. And we could do 1,500 minutes.
I'm on Nettles, bro. I'm not hooking up on that shit in the day.
Hey, you have
I gave you everything already, bro. I gave you everything.
Down for the road. I haven't locked it in.
Over there? You down over there? We could do it.
Prison or go home?
Over here. Yeah, you have time to get prepared for a dig.
Yeah, I'm down for the road. I'm even
Over there? I drove an hour and a half here. You could drive an hour and a half over there.
40 minutes here.
15. That's why you have like fucking 50 people. I have fucking 10, 15 people.
Hey, I'll prep your
Could go
lane
over
with
there.
you. If you race
He'll
from
prep,
the dicks, I'll
he'll
prep
prep
your
you
lane.
too.
I'm not gonna let someone prep my lane that I don't know you.
I'll prep you.
Should I be for the win, Pedro?
Thought y'all
Over there,
had
there's a lot of
it.
spots over there.
Hell no.
Well,
We still haven't.
Not trips. Lock that in too. You want to run?
Well, I mean, we have one locked in, but we just.
Hey, let's dig it tonight at Cajon.
dig.
Hey, why don't you dig it tonight at Cajon?
You want to do it tonight?
Yeah, Cajon. It's right here. It's like 10 minutes.
10
I still need to drive fucking.
Hey, technically, Cajon is on your way home.
It's not, fool. It's right here, like 10 minutes. Fool, we can get you. Hey, we can prep your lane.
Oh!
We can prep your lane.
You're still gonna have to fucking go get the shit, man.
Yeah, he said to go back.
Is it Sunday?
Tonight, fuck it.
Sunday.
Yeah?
Don't you have a
Tonight,
sprint?
fuck it, we're out here. Yeah, we can get lanes prep. We can get lanes
Do it
prep.
tonight. Fuck
We'll do it tonight. We'll do a photo burnout.
Yeah, well, you guys see, we can for real get it prep. It's good lanes. We'll hook. I hook.
We don't gotta do all that prepping. We'll just do photo burnout.
It's on your way home.
It's 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes away.
Hey, we can get. Hey, we'll use the same bottle as him, so you guys can see no bullshit. Just 2 photo burnouts. It's not long enough.
Oh yeah, with 1,000 foot.
Yeah,
Heads up.
1,000 foot's cool.
I'm not gonna go to 1,000.
It's you can't go farther than 1,000.
Do 1320.
You can't. The road is too. It won't.
Yeah, that road is fucked.
Do it tonight.
Hey,
2 photo burnouts. Fuck it, let's go.
there's a road. You want me halfway?
Well, fucking. If there's any.
Where are you guys from?
Where you live?
Yeah.
Yeah, hell yeah.
No, for a road race?
Yeah, hell yeah. Fucking everywhere. Food. The freeway is way longer than here.
You want
I
me
swear.
like Apple Valley?
You guys can meet right there. It's perfect. I know a spot. Yeah, it's perfect. I'll give you guys an address.
You want to do 15? 15 aside?
Nah, let him go over there. You drove an hour and a half.
Nah.
I drove over here too.
It'll be in the middle. It'll be in the middle.
Then fuck it. Since you guys are here, might as well get the rerun right now.
Alright, we'll talk about that. You want to do that?
Yeah, let's dig.
You want to do it tonight?
Yeah, fuck it, let's do it.
Let's do it Sunday. Let's drive to fucking Riverside to get the shit.
You can't do it Sunday because we're doing a shootout in the morning, so it's going to be burnt.
The night.
See performance.
Just do it tonight. Caliente, way.
Fool, I'm telling you, you guys can do both total burnouts same time.
Yeah, just put up.
I mean, fuck it, you're already out here.
You're a race guy too.
It'll be a good ass dig.
I mean, we're already here.